Oh, push down.
Oh
Hey,
God.
hey, I said don't accidentally. Use your fingers to guide.
It's moving. There you go. I got it.
Maybe I should get them started so you don't break them. Hi, Ayla. Oh, she's gonna stick those things everywhere. That's what an unsupervised baby does. What you doing? See, I found sticky things. It's backwards, sticking to your finger. Whatever. Okay, take the plastics off. Red things go on the metal.
Right here.
And they should only fit one way. Because one side should be wider than the other. Maybe. Oh, you just sit them down. No, no screw.
Oh, no screw.
Just put the 4 red things, as I said. I give good instructions, I swear. You just got to listen to the
Why
words.
do you have a screw
For
sitting on the top of the red?
We'll get there.
Oh, this is tight.
Flip it. See? As I said, they only go on one way. And then if you look at this for the AM4, see how those curved things are?
Yeah.
Same thing here.
So these ones go outside, like this.
Now they're curving towards the processor. So opposite.
Towards it is.
And also it shows where the memory is. So they point at the memory, but curve in. So yeah, here and here. And then the screws.
This black one, right?
Yeah.
Is it magnetic?
Just use your hand. We'll tighten them down really good after, but they got thumb screw thingies, so that's just going to be faster. Ayla, no, don't throw stuff away.
Okay, we'll tighten it up later.
Yeah, now.
No?
Might hold the board. And what's next?
This one.
Yeah, they skipped a few steps. So, first thing, peel the plastic off. Thermal paste.
Where should I put it?
That's going to be like kind of annoying to undo, but you should unscrew it. Should come off. Oh no, that one's actually kind of easy. Normally they're like locked on.
Okay.
There's 1,000 methods for this. Mine is to do an X and then like a little dot in each of the triangles. But it might come out faster. Go kind of slow. And touch. Yeah. Good enough. It's going to be a little messy. Doesn't matter because once you squish it down, it's all going to combine.
Oop, I got a little paste in there.
It don't matter. It's not conductive. It won't damage anything. The most important part is the middle. I'm going to just make sure there's an extra little dab in there since you kind of pulled it out. Ah, let go. There we go. Now this thing and the way the words are. So if that's the top, but the fans will blow that way. I guess it don't matter. I think I prefer that way.
Just put this in the middle.
Yeah, just focus on the block lining up with the processor. Ignore the rest of the cooler.
Well, I can't see those things.
Oh, I know. It don't need to be perfect, but
Okay.
now you gotta get those screws screwed onto the posts. So hold on. No, it's a hand thing at first. Okay, that I think is lined up. Try to tighten them. Think you're on it? Is it going?
Yeah.
Okay, do the other side a little. You don't want it to tighten all the way before you get this one on, or it might be hard to get this one on. No, you're going the right way. You just might not be on the post. Might need to push down.
There you go. I can hear it.
Okay, now you can just go all the way. Are you helping, Ayla? You gonna tell us the next step? Say, clip the fans on.
Where is it not? Is it all the way? I have to all the way put it all the way in?
Okay, that's good. That just means that it lets you know when it's all the way by the clicking. That's a cool screw. That way you can't over tighten.
We can. Maybe this one is not
That
clicking.
ring is. There we go.
Okay, it's on.
Huh? Is it doing the same clicking?
No.
Then keep going.
Getting tight.
Oh, it'll either stop or it'll start doing the same clicking. Yeah, let me feel it. Let me feel it.
I don't want to push it like pressure it all the way in.
Why is this one being weird then? Oh. Okay, but yeah, down till it stops. Like, it being really tight is what makes the heat transfer. So, tight is good. Now you gotta get the fans to clip on. And they, so it's got a cable. And it tells you which way it blows. Oh, does it not? I mean, I know which way it blows, but it's better if it tells you. That's so weird. They're like so high quality and there's no direction. I don't see it. Anyways, the pretty side, it'll blow away. It'll blow through the ugly side. But anyways, we're going to want the cable down.
Where's the cable?
Yeah, down over here because they're going to plug in right here. Yeah, cable plugs in here, so we want the cable down over there. Hold on. Undoing that's good. But then you need these stupid little things to hold the fan on. Oh, don't plug it in yet. Okay, these are kind of annoying. So they go in the holes, which are a little awkward to get both there. Go ahead and do the same on the other side. Hold on. You want it to be able to face the same way, so it'll be like that. And it's a rubberized hole. So it's gonna give you a little bit of resistance until it lines up nice. And it goes in there. And then the metals clip on the side here. So just use them as holders. Oh, lift the fan up. So you want the fan up here. And then snap them on. There you go. But see how it's not level? Mm-hmm. So lower that one down. No, lower.
It's level already.
No, this side's lower. You can raise this one up if you want.
How about that?
You went 2 instead of 1. I like your level idea.
Your
I'm just saying.
Not even falling.
Oh, I'm focused pretty good. It just might be choosing that Ayla's a better target eventually, occasionally. Yeah, nice and level. And then one more fan. The clips are over there. Here's your fan. Oh, Ayla's helping. Yeah, you're the best mechanic ever. Please don't. Where'd that plastic cap go for the thermal paste? Did you lose it?
No, I put it back on.
Okay.
It's right there. Okay, so...
Yep. Fan down.
Right here?
Put them in.
Where?
Yep.
Here?
Yep. And just try to keep that same height. Same height. It's easy to adjust if you're a little off.
I think that's good.
Okay. Yeah, I like it to just not touch the memory. So that little bit of a gap is good. Because you're not going to get much airflow if it's completely touching.
Yeah.
Memory doesn't matter too much.
Building computer.
And hold on. Look at this cool little thing. It's a splitter. So you can plug both of these into this and then only use one header here. But your motherboard has got CPU out, a CPU fan, and a sys fan. Oh, CPU optional, opt. So you've got 2. So let's just use them. I'll let you do that one. You got it.
The white one and the black one.
White, gray. Ooh.
You can't see.
Neither can the camera.
Why are you stopping in? There you go.
Yeah, looks good. Looks really good on the camera. And these you just gotta cable manage and hide them away, so you tend to just tie it back. Thankfully, this board has standoffs. A lot of motherboards will only have one place to plug it in. Oh, that one's kind of awkward. Oops. My default pointing angle is like 10 degrees off. But hey, we got your shirt real good. That's it until we get all the data off your old drive, which sadly is 2.5 terabytes. It's going to take a while to transfer.